Hi, I'm Gord. I'm the designer of board games like Santorini and puzzles like you'll find in this video series. This is a brand new puzzle this week. It's celebrating ethnic diversity in our cities. We're going to choose a random city in Alberta, let's say Edmonton, and we're going to start off with showing, let's say it's a 7x7 city. 1, 2, 3. So we got this square. And then we're going to be filling this square with smaller squares. So, for example, we could do a 3x3. We could do a 4x4. We could do a 2x2 here. Here's a few little 1x1s. Oh, we could continue these 1x1s up there. And we could do 1x1s like this. So, there. We've completed it. How do we score it? To score, you look at each of the squares and you say how many different squares share an edge with it. So for example, this big square here, this is a 4x4 square. It is sharing an edge with a 2x2 square, a 3x3 square, and a 1x1 square. So it sees three different squares. It's scoring 3. This one here, how many squares does it see? Well, it sees a small one, it sees a 2x2, a 3x3, and a 4x4, so it's scoring 4. This one here is seeing a 4x4, a 2x2, and a 1x1, so it scores 3. This one here sees a 1x1 and a 2x2, so it scores 2. This one, 2. This one, 2. This one sees a 3x3, a 2x2, and a 1x1, so it scores 3. This 3x3 sees 1x1 squares and a 2x2 square, and that's all. So it only scores 2 points. There's lots of squares neighboring it, you see, but there's only 2 types of squares that it's sharing an edge with. This little one here sees a 3x3, another 3x3, a 1x1. So it's a 3x3, a 1x1, and a 4x4. So that's 3 different types of square. This one sees 2 different types. This one sees 2 different types. And this one sees 2 different types. What is your overall score for your city? Your score is the average of all of these numbers. We're going to add it up. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 divided by the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 30 divided by 12. And you can get a calculator or you can just do it by hand, but that's going to be about 2.5. Okay, so that's the objective, is to try to make this score as big as possible. Now we've done it here for a 7x7. Maybe you can beat this. I don't know. I didn't plan this in advance. I don't know if this is a good score. I think this is a pretty good score. You might be able to beat it, but I think this is a pretty good score. You can try it for a 7x7, an 8x8, a 9x9 grid, and I want to know what you've discovered by next week. I don't know what's going to be a good number for larger and larger squares, but I think this is going to be difficult and fun to try to compete with each other and to try to compete with me. Next week I will not show you the answers, but I will show you the best results that I've found for squares from cities, from a little 1x1 one all the way up to maybe I'll go up to a 12x12. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.